Good morning, class. Chapter 43 Outstanding Awards. This chapter will discuss. Now, what is an award? Actually, an award is a certificate of excellence. Okay, given to a person or a group of person, dependent on the situations, dependent on the occasions they have occurred. Clear? Why we are giving the awards? To recognize the people, those people who got those awards because of their excellence in certain field. It can be sports, it can be literature, it can be any part, any field where we are giving them awards. So what is an award? One question we'll prepare about. Question 1. What is an award? What is an award? What is an award? An award is a certificate of excellence given to a person or a group of person to recognize their excellence in a certain field. Clear? Awards can be given by any person or institution, although the prestige of an award usually depends on the status of the award. It will depend that for which status the award is given, isn't? Like I am telling, in any field, like it can be a sports field, it can be a field of literature, anywhere we can just give this kind of awards. Why we are giving awards? Awards are provided to those person or a group of persons so that we can recognize those people or person for that excellency and all. Clear? Now here some of the awards name we'll discuss, we'll come to know that for what purpose and in which field this kind of awards are given. Okay, so first one, Paramveer Chakra. The award name is Paramveer Chakra. Why we are giving this kind of award? It is the highest award for bravery. The reason is bravery, and for that we are giving this. So first one, number 1, it is Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra. This is the award, highest award, while it is provided to that persons who are known for their bravery. Number 2, you see, it's Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra, why? This award given for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor, not in the presence of enemy. In the presence of enemy, it is not given. But another type of award is there, that is Mahavir Chakra, that will be given to that person in the presence of enemy. Clear? So, number 2 will be Ashok Chakra. Number 2 is Ashok Chakra. Clear? Number 3, you see, this kind of award given for outstanding Hindi literary work by an Indian citizen. What is that? Vyas Samman. It is Vyas Samman. Number 3 is Vyas Samman. Okay. It is Vyas Samman. It is given to that Hindi literary work by an Indian citizen. Number 4, you see, award given for promoting Gandhian values, community service and social development. That is Janmalal Bajaj Award. That is Janmalal Bajaj Award. Number 5, you see, award given annually to outstanding artists and authors. It is Academy Award. Academy Awards are given to the artists and authors. Award for outstanding contribution in popularizing science among people. It is National Science Award. Related with that, it is popularizing science among people. So the award name on that only, National Science Award. Number 7, you see, award given annually for farmers for their special contribution. That is Krishi Pandit Award. That is Krishi Pandit Award. Award given for outstanding contribution to Indian literature. It is Jananpith Award. What is that? It is Jananpith Award. Second highest decoration award for feats of conspicuous gallantry in the presence of enemy. As I am telling, Ashok Chakra we are giving to those gallantry persons, bravery without the presence of enemy. But this one, Mahavir Chakra, we are giving in the presence of enemy. Clear? Award given for meritorious acts or a series of acts of human nature displayed in saving life from drowning, fire, rescue operations in mines, etc. For this cause also we are giving them awards. What is that? Jeevan Raksha Padam. That award name is Jeevan Raksha Padam. You can understand by the name of the award, related with life. So these all fairy acts you can see: saving life from drowning water, and you see fire rescue operations for the mines. These all are dangerous life risk acts. So from there, if displayed, we are giving those people this kind of awards, is known as Jeevan Raksha Padak. Clear? Now number 11, you see India's highest civilian award is Bharat Ratna. What is the highest civilian award? Bharat Ratna. Award given to the outstanding sportsman and sportswoman every year, that is Arjuna Award. Related with sports is given to men and women, it varies. Okay, every year it is given, that is Ashok Chakra. Arjuna Award. So these are the awards given to those person or group of people for their excellence in certain areas. Clear? For their excellence in certain areas. So just read up to this. Try to write down these all in your copy and learn it properly. As a question answer form, you will write this one, and along with that, one question: what is an award, how it is given to you and given to that person, and all, what it can work, to by whom it can be given. Award can be given by any person. Okay, who can get the award? Okay, that you will write. That part already there in your book. From there you can prepare the answer. Okay, so just read up this chapter and learn properly. Well then, thank you class.